Have you ever wondered how that familiar antiseptic liquid, the one we all know as Dettol, is actually made? Today I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step process of making your own antiseptic liquid at home or for small-scale production. But before we dive in, this is not just missing ingredients. This is chemistry. So safety, patience, and precision are everything. Let's get started. I begin by adding 110 grams of Texapon into my mixing container. Now, take note. Always use commercial grade Texapon, not the improvised or diluted home version. This ensures proper emulsification and gives your antiseptic that smooth, stable consistency. Texapon is going to act as your emulsifier, helping oil and water mix properly later on. Next, I add 75 grams of phenol into the Texapon. Phenol is a powerful disinfectant, and it plays a key role in boosting the antiseptic strength of your formulation. Now, I go in with 110 grams of pine oil. Pine oil is not just for fragrance. It also has natural antibacterial properties, making your antiseptic more effective. Now comes one of the most important parts. Stir these three ingredients thoroughly. Continue mixing until the Texapon dissolves completely into the phenol and pine oil. This step takes time. Don't rush it. Patience is the key here. If the Texapon is not fully dissolved, your final product may separate later. Before starting your production, let me remind you, wear your nose mask, put on your gloves, use your goggles. You are handling active chemicals. Your safety comes first. Now that everything is well dissolved, I add 250 ml of chloroxylenol. This is the main antiseptic agent, just like what is used in Dettol. It comes in two forms, powder or liquid. For this tutorial, I'm using the liquid form. If you would like to learn how to use the powdered version, drop a comment. I will make a separate video for that. Now stir it properly to combine. At this stage, add a small amount of oil-soluble brown color. This gives your antiseptic that classic look people are familiar with. Mix well until the color is evenly distributed. Next, I add 1.2 liters of distilled water. This helps dilute the mixture to the right consistency. Always use distilled water, not tap water, to avoid contaminations and ensure product stability. Stir thoroughly. Now, I go in with 1.2 liters of isopropyl alcohol, known as IPA. Very important. Use IPA, isopropyl alcohol, not ethanol. IPA improves the disinfectant power and helps the product act faster on germs. Mix everything very well until fully combined. Once everything is properly mixed, cover the mixture. Leave it to sit for 24 hours. This allows proper blending, stabilization, and removal of trapped air. After 24 hours, your antiseptic liquid is ready. Before bottling, ensure all containers are sterilized with hot water. Let them dry properly. Now carefully pour your antiseptic into a container. And just like that, you are done. And there you have it, your own very antiseptic liquid, made step by steps from scratch. Remember, precision matters, cleanliness matters, safety matters. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Udu's Organic DIY for more practical money-saving formulation. And if you want more advanced tutorials, especially using different ingredients or improving this formula, drop your question in the comments. Until next time, stay safe, stay creative, and keep building.